5 ways to use Costco Rotisserie Chicken. $5 can go a long way. Inflations are affecting all of us in the United States as well as all over the world. One way to make $5 stretch a long way is the all-popular Costco Rotisserie Chicken. Are you familiar with the Costco Rotisserie Chickens? A popular item, a serious doorbuster deal that have customer returning for more. These birds are popular for convenience and more importantly for its affordability. One of the cheapest in the world is sold for $4.99 US dollar. For a 3-pound roasted chicken, you are paying about $1.66 per pound. This is even less expensive than a whole fresh chicken, which can easily cost $8 to $10 these days. A little research shows that the price of the Costco rotisserie chicken have been capped at $4.99 since 2009. This is the loss leader that brings customers to the shop. However, consuming this on a regular basis can really get boring. Unless these are 5 game-changing recipes to shift from boring to interesting. Let's dive into this recipe to level up the taste. In Malaysia, if you can get the rotisserie chicken from Giant Supermarket. If you don't have a Costco membership, get the rotisserie chicken from HEB. If you are in other parts of the world, you can find this best priced rotisserie chicken and share in the comments below. Help others find good food at affordable prices. My name is Sue and I share recipes to encourage you to make delicious, healthy meals. Making delicious meals with affordable ingredients, learning to source wisely, eating healthy, all leads to happiness and financial abundance. Check out more videos in Meals with Sue to inspire you to cook on a regular basis for a healthier and sustainable lifestyle. Cooking budget-friendly meals can help you reach your financial goals quickly. More health, more wealth, more happiness. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any delicious recipe. Now, if you have a Costco rotisserie chicken on hand, here are 5 quick and easy recipes you can make using it. Let's start with the first recipe. Firstly, I will shred the chicken. I will also portion the shredded chicken into 4 to 6 Pyrex glass containers. The rule of the thumb is to store the amount for 1 meal in each container. Now you have all the shredded chicken you need to make different recipes and you don't have to eat the same dinner over and over and over again. Don't make dinner go on endless repeats. This can last you at least 5 delicious meals. 5 different delicious meals. For the first recipe, let's make chicken wraps and do watch till the end to find also the vegetarian version where chicken is not needed. This is so that everyone who's watching, no matter what your dietary needs are, will be able to learn something. What? Don't even need the $5 chicken? For the chicken wraps, you can use the mission tortilla. This comes in corn or wheat flat bread. You can also pick this up at Costco. Now slice up 1 tomato, 1 apple, 1 mango and 1 cucumber. You can always use carrots, lettuce leaves, spinach and other suitable ingredients. I also make this guacamole spread to give this wrap a delicious spread, creamy spread. You will love this. 2 ripened avocado, scoop it out from the skin, and then half an onion and 1 tomato. Dice the onion and tomato and then mix this into the avocado. A little salt, pepper and lemon juice. Use a fork to mix and soften the avocado. I like my avocado chunky and not mushy. When the chicken is freshly bought, you can use it just fresh without spicing it up or sauteing. So just shred the chicken straight from the freshly bought chicken from Costco or HEB or anywhere where you can get the rotisserie chicken. And then I'm going to put, you see, cucumbers, some sliced mango to make it a little tangy, and then that avocado spread is added. I added some herbs like coriander leaves and whichever you can find, and then just spread about. Well, and if you want, you can also put some cheese on it. So cucumber, tomatoes, mango, some chicken and coriander leaves. Enjoy. This is delicious. A little note to add about the chicken. If the chicken is just freshly bought, you can use it just like it is. Sometimes after a few days, I would recommend to saute the chicken with one sliced onion so that you get a tastier and spiced, delicious chicken. This step is optional and only if you decide. You can make a soy version with some oyster sauce, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, pepper, salt, and a dash of sesame oil. Or, like in my video, I spice the chicken with paprika, garam masala, cayenne chili, cumin, coriander, turmeric, and salt. First, start with sauteing the onions. Make sure it's brown and softened. And then put in all the chicken. Add in all the spices of what you have in your pantry, mainly like paprika, garam masala, cayenne chili, cumin, coriander, turmeric, and salt. We have these wraps for 3 dinners and each time with different ingredients, different sauces. The possibilities are endless. Remember, the key ingredients are the chicken, the guacamole spread, and 3 to 4 fruits and vegetables. You can always add some cheese or non-dairy cheese. 2 other vegetarian options that I would recommend is peanut butter with sliced banana and some chocolate chips. Hummus spread with apple, cucumber, lettuce, tomato, and bell peppers are also a very delicious wraps. I hope you have enjoyed this video and will make this wrap soon. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons for more delicious recipes. Check out more videos and remember to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified of new videos that I upload on Thursday weekly. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Source wiser, cook more efficiently, and also learn ways to counter inflating prices with some tips and ideas. See you all next week. Enjoy you all and stay tuned for recipe number 2 next Thursday. Bye.